Hello bros, my name is Wolf Lopez and in this video I will show you ins and outs of CoinMetro exchange. Okay, so let's go. CoinMetro is the best exchange I have ever used. I have used everything. KuCoin, Binance, everything. BitTrue, Coinbase, Uphold, all these other exchanges. They don't even come close to CoinMetro. So this is very easy to use. The KYC process is extremely fast and it's very easy to sign up. So you can find link in description to sign up on CoinMetro. If you want to support my channel, use the affiliate link. Thank you so much. Without further ado, let's go. Okay, so this is CoinMetro's. When you first sign up, you will see this page, and the sign up process is very simple. You can find the link in the description, click that, and then you just create your account. The account creation is like boom. You can use your Google, email. You don't have to create anything. It's just one click, and it's amazing. So okay, so here's how it works. So this is the first page. They have these all kinds of cool things here. So crypto with Twitter and these kinds of like sentiment things here. Then there's the ecosystem data. Then you can see your transaction history. I have been started using this myself and decided to do tutorials because I learned the ins and outs of this, so might as well share with you guys, right? So here's how it works. So the first thing, you just set up your account. You will find all the stuff that you need in the account settings. I'm not going to show you my account settings because I don't want to show my address and this stuff, but you can find there and you can select the currency. For example, I have selected now USD, but you can select euros, you can select Australian dollars, whatever is your main currency, you will select it there, because I will show you. That's the first thing that you want to set up, because it allows you to do bank transfers and buy with straight up with your fiat on CoinMetro. So that's the first thing that you want to do. Now, when you obviously want to get funds on your account. So here's how you do it. You simply click to deposit, and here when you click select currency, like I shared, whenever you can select the currency there and it will show up here. For example, you can select euros, Australian dollars, yen, Japanese yen, US dollar, whatever, and then you just click there and then you can do the process there. Okay, and if you already have like cryptocurrencies, you can deposit there. Let's say that you want to deposit Ripple XRP is very fast, so you might as well deposit that. So here you can get your deposit address. So what you want to do, you want to use your for example, if you have funds on Binance, on KuCoin or whatever like that, you use this address to deposit the cryptocurrency here. Okay, so there are many cryptocurrencies that you can deposit, and that's the way on how you get funds on your account. So that's the main thing. Okay, so now I want to show you. So basically, yeah, that's it. Very simple. And the withdraw process is also simple. You come here and select the addresses that you want to withdraw, and then just select what you want to withdraw. You can do it also basically everywhere. Okay, yeah, that's that. But anyway, now you have funds on your account. I have some Cadena here that I bought. Here's how you buy it. All you have to do is basically go to exchange, and then when you have let's say that you send XRP, you can use that XRP you can sell that and then select what you want to buy. Let's say that you want to sell it for euros or USD, you just sell it for euros or USD. Okay, so basically you sell the currency for fiat currencies. Okay, and then when you buy, you use that fiat currency to buy. Okay, then you just pay with, and then you just buy whatever cryptocurrency you want here. Okay, let's say you want 5 flux. So then you just select what you want to buy, and then simply you can set max on how many you have, if you want to sell all, or you want to sell like 50% or 75 or 100 or 25%. You just scroll here. Let me actually do this with Cadena so you can see it. And yeah, I don't have euros, so I will show you it on selling. But anyway, so that's how you do it. Then you can do the max price, so it will just market buys. Okay, or then you can do the limit order, and you can set your limit here. I just usually just market buy, to be honest, because I just do that. But anyway, so here's how you sell the cryptocurrency. You come here and sell, and you select which currency you want to sell it to, and then you select the minimal price that it sells. Like this is the wall that it uses when the market buy. and then you can just select how much you want to sell here, right? So that's pretty simple. And that concept, you can use it to buy any cryptocurrency on CoinMetro. Okay, so that's how you fund your account. The first thing is you sign up using the link in description to support this channel. Thank you so much, because it means a lot to me. And also after that, you deposit your cryptocurrency, whatever fiat you're using. You can deposit fiat or you can deposit cryptocurrencies, and then you just use the exchange to buy. Now when you go to markets, here you can see all the cryptocurrencies that you can buy. Actually, here are all the list of the currencies, so you can actually use here also buy and sell and withdraw, like I showed you. Look, and you can come here and withdraw it also, but you can also use these. It's very easy, simply to do. Okay, and there's also the swap. So if you don't like to use the exchange, you can do quick swaps here. This is also very crazy good. So for example, let me show you. So let's say that I want to swap Cadena for Bitcoin. I can do it right here. Okay, so it's limited for 500 years. So this is like a quick swap you can do here. Okay, so it's just the swaps here. So that's that. And yeah, so then we have the margin here. You know, I haven't used it at all. So basically, I'm not going to go more in depth on this one, but you can come here and play around here. I don't use margin. So basically what it is, it's leverage. Okay, so I don't use that. Then there's the copy trading. So you can come here and see this yourself. And then there's also very crazy, there's securities. Okay, but these are all sold out and closed, so there you can't use that. But then there's also earn. There's the refer a friend, the affiliate program that I am participating in. I invite you to CoinMetro, and I hope that you're using the link. And then you can also stake here. So you could stake, for example, I have KDA, so I could stake KDA, but it's now oversubscribed. There's so many people staking it, so you can't do it right now. But you can do staking here. You can stake XCM, and yeah, so that's that. And now you pretty much know how to use CoinMetro. It's really that simple, guys. Okay, so I hope that you found great value on this video. This was very like bare bones explaining. The biggest thing that you want to know is that when you create your account, select the currency that you want to use, for example euros or USD or whatever that, and then when you click deposit there, where you can actually deposit the fiat. Okay, and then just use the exchange like regular exchange, and you're good to go. Okay, so that's like the bare bones of CoinMetro. CoinMetro is awesome exchange. I love it. They're so friendly. Check out their Telegram. Join the Telegram. Check out their Twitter. Everything about them is amazing. Okay, so see you in the next videos, and thank you CoinMetro for this opportunity. And I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I just love CoinMetro and I just like to make videos. So let's get it, guys. Thank you so much. Namaste.